Until quite recently, I was broke, drowning in debt that kept compounding with time. I had low self esteem, low self confidence, and always estimated myself undeserving of anything good. To make matters worse, I had no valuable skills, and on top of that, I was arrogant and disrespectful. But today, I am so grateful to share with you how much my life has changed. I have settled all the debt that I owed, lent out over 20,000 Ghana cedis, given over 5,000 cedis to charity, and started a side business that generates decent extra income. I now excel at my job and have learned valuable skills, including public speaking and software development, which has opened incredible opportunities for me. I am a member of certain prestigious departments in my organizations that have taken me to places I never could have imagined. I now have good friends who are supportive and the backings of people I admire so much. I know I have not arrived, but I am grateful for how far I have come. And the reason why I am making this video is to share with you the beginning of this whole transformation. This whole transformation started when I got access to certain life transforming information, and in the subsequent videos I would like to share with you some of this information that I came across that has brought to me so much change. I know I have not arrived like I said earlier, but I trust God and the process I am following, because it is a proven method that a lot of people have used to change their life for the better. And I know that if I share this information with you and you also start applying it today, you will begin to experience the revolution you are looking for in your life. So if you are not already subscribed or following, consider doing so now, because there are more incredible content coming. And share this information or share this video with someone you think should see it, so that they may also join in learning this valuable information that I have for you in the subsequent videos. I will see you with another one. Until then, peace out.